Flashback.
Na ako na-discover. Tanaw niya per mi asa ang emergency exits. Ako kay never. Good morning. Sige.
Thanks. In that case, we'll order. I'm thinking pancakes po na.
Yeah, nami sa Cafe Deluxe. Same raming breakfast. Pancake, bacon, scrambled eggs, and butter. And the syrup is right there with our coffee na lipstick.
Here we are at the Smithsonian National Zoo.
Nanganhimik kay libre siya. Yan, ako kaayos sa tanan. Tapos, na sila pandas. Mga magyari actually. What did you say?
There's a kids farm over there.
And you want me to go there?
You want to see farm animals?
Sample. Oh, I wanna see that black and white cow ni kana. Wala pa ko kitaan na.
Oh, there it is, honey.
No, I finally seen one. Dakong gid siya, uy, i-compare sa ato alang nga cow. I think mas taas pa rin ako upan.
If
Mura
no?
no?
Yes.
Hala. Miniature Mediterranean donkeys daw. Look. Ni Mark, ako lagi hilig og zoo na tong duha.
Can I get you something else?
Oh, alpacas. Awag ko na ang cow, oh. Brown and white. Kita na ka kinani nga color, han?
Brown?
Yeah? A cow?
More darker brown, but not as big as that.
Nata sa Amazonian area. Grabe ka lindot, uy. May turtle. Puro kayo na sa uban. Nagkuha sa stingrays, uy.
Looks like it could be the ocean.
Nagkuha sa fishes, uy. Wow. Isa na sila, han? We have barbels, red-tailed catfish, black aku, arapaima,
So those are arapaimas, huh?
kachapira. Look at how ginormous that fish is. Oh, all of them actually. Oh my god.
This one is an eel.
Asa ba siya? Turtle na lahignaw? Ano weird ka siya? Puro mga paka-turtle. Dako kay siya.
Ako siya.
Sarang yung tiil. Yang bale-bale. Is there another one? Tara, oh. Yung partner. Ngayon, yun yung...
There's something like Jon Snow would wear.
Possibly. But what's really interesting about this is that this is a northern wolf, but they're native across the entire continent, which means they're really adaptable. So you can find them even down in New Mexico.
Feels so good.
Really cool.
Wow.
Yeah, they are. But the wolves down there are actually smaller, and their fur is a lot shorter. They're really adaptable. And over in the Arctic, they can get even bigger, with even thicker fur.
Did you happen to know how this one died?
Unfortunately, no, I do not. All I know is that it lived a very long life at another zoo, and then it was gifted to the Smithsonian.
Hi, little beaver.
Wala. He's trying to go in his house.
What is that sound?
You can't open it. Na, nakakita na gid ko. Oh my God, first time na ako nakakita ng elephant. Kahilakon ko. Oh, Aday. Asian.
As in, dako, kayo siya.
Nag-grab siya grass.
Ha?
Nagkikaon niya. Ah,
Hala. Kita na kag-elephant before, Han?
TV Roy.
Kaya first time pa di mo? Let's take a picture, Han?
Asian or African?
Asian have smaller ears.
Smaller ears?
African elephants have bigger, more rounded ears.
Here. This one, kani ang Asian, gamay. So, sa kuan, si Mod.
Single finger?
Parang ba sila finger?
Ay, di. At the end of the trunk, basically, kani ba kung tip? And
So,
this one we
duha.
have is makaana siya.
Alright. And since nakakita ng big elephant for the first time, gikalibangan ni, giihian. Giuntanahan, gisulit sa elephant amo ang first experience. We just need more.
Watch, stop your jump.
Did she not get the photo? Like, yeah.
Ano monkey? Karang brown?
This one.
What is that?
This is either this one, black and white, red.
Okay. Ganahan ni makita sa akong office mate o Komodo dragon. Ano na siya Komodo dragon? It's so big. See? That's very big. Cayman lizard.
It's big.
Cute siya sa nanas. Nagdila agad siya. Ble. Oh, it's big though. Ka-cute, oy.
Jamba gazelle.
Dama gazelle?
Siguro tong oryx.
American bison. Kasi tawag ano yan?
Red rock lemur. Wildlife trafficking along.
Cute kayo. Sayang, di mo kita yung cute kayo. Baby fox. Ka-cute. Ka-cute. Asa ba na? Sure ka dili na. Kangaroo.
I would think it's a kangaroo.
Is he in the law?
Grabe ha, oy. What time did we get here? Naabot mi diri 10 something ya. 3 na. Nya wala pa minaabot og pandas, pero last na na.
Last na na.
Oh my god. Abi naman 2 hours ra mi din. Giant panda house. We're hoping to see the panda here. Oh my god. Nakakita na dyan ko panda. Aww. It's playing. Nagadula-dula siya. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kita na siya ko panda. Stop there. Sa luka panda sa nakitaan. Kung sino na ano? Mama, papa, and then kaniyang baby. Kaon. No, natulog na siya man.
Nasigi anak, nagaya siya sa baba.
Ay, basta nagtulog nagkaon. Hawak, cool kayo. Makita ni mo, i-monitor nila ang panda.
Natulog pagyapon.
Ang isa kay natulog din hapon.
Ano sa kayo nagkaon
Ang
pagyapon?
isa nagkaon. Tara, nagtalikod gapon. Ang kanina nasa babaw nagkaon. I want a panda. And,
This one? Na-shade beanbag sa sud. This one is nice.
okay, and then elephant.
Mas ganaan kag elephant.
No, I wanna get both. Kaya diri ko nakakita elephant and panda.
Ana.
In Great Diri, it's already 4:25 in the afternoon. And mga ulmi. Dahil nanaway na pedestrian lane. O, dako kaayo. Basta na sila yung milk tea diha. Cool kayo na? Bata kayo na siya niya. Yung t-shirt mo ba, babe? Yun, wala namin nila. Grabe ka ulan, oh.